All customer stories, whether they're case studies, whether they're video testimonials, help our account teams sell Sprinklr. They give them sort of the proof points and the use cases that they need to demonstrate for customers how Sprinklr can work for them. My name is Jordana Gustafson Wright. I'm a senior manager in customer marketing at Sprinklr, where I lead customer stories. Sprinklr is a unified customer experience management platform. Prior to using Testimonial Hero, two of the big challenges I had were speed and quality. Sprinklr has a large number of Fortune 500 companies, and it's really important to me that what we're sending to them to review is not just good, it's great. It needs to be really high quality. I want them to be impressed. Using Testimonial Hero turns out to be a huge time saver for me. Previously, I would get a draft of a story and I might need to spend 2 hours rewriting it. I can now focus on everything that I need to do on the back end to get these stories published. I get a draft from Testimonial Hero and it's ready to go. We've started doing first-person customer stories, and we really love it because it not only gets across the important details that are included in a more traditional case study, but it comes directly from the customer. It really amplifies and sort of expands the reach of that story. We'll send them to the customer and they'll say it's perfect. We share them with our product marketing team, with our account teams, and they say, this is beautiful. We don't need to change anything. I have loved working with Testimonial Hero, and the reason is because the process is so simple and seamless, and the quality of the work is so high.